everyone! Welcome to my vlog, another panty haul. For today's video, yes, of course, another panty haul. And, of course, may maganda akong panty dito. Okay, so I have a blue and a white one. Okay, so unahin muna natin ng blue. Ito yung isang set doon. Sa isang set na bili ko, ito yon. Okay, the blue and yung quarter niya is ganito. I really like it. Ayan. Ganito siya sa loob. Good quality, of course. And ganito siya. Diba? Maganda ang kanyang quality pack. Ganon. I really like it. Ayan. Ganyan siya, guys. Okay. I'm so excited to wear this kasi maganda talaga yung kanyang quality. And I bought this in the mall. Okay. So, this is large. So, of course, ito naman yung pangalawa. Parang may cute there pa siya na print and flowers. Ayan. So, kanyang kulay is brown, white brown, or purple. Basta ito siya, guys. Ayan. I really like it. Yun yan. Pusuot. Okay, so large din to siya, guys. Ganito sa loob. I like it so much. Okay. Ganyan siya. And then, suot natin. Ayan. So, I really like this kind of panty. Okay. Pero itong garter is, hindi ko yan siya talaga, I don't use this kind of na garter. Okay. Kasi makapal siya. Oo. I like this garter, yung parang plain lang siya na maliit lang. And hindi siya nakikita. Ito kasi masakit to dito sa skin. Oh, so, ayan. Let's wear this, guys. Ayan, excited na ako. Ayan. Today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. Ayan. Okay? Let's go! Hindi ko siya natinanggal yung dress ko. Tinaas ko na lang siya. Ganyan siya sa harap, guys. I like it. Sa harap is napaka, niya, talagang close na close talaga siya. And then, ganito din siya sa likod, guys. Ayan, ganito siya sa likod. Diba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, this one is, I don't like this kind of garter. Oo. Yung makapal yung garter, I don't like. Ganito din siya sa likod, guys. Ganyan naman siya. Try natin isuot yung isa, guys. Guys, ayan. Ang ganda niya. Ang init. Super init. Very hot in the Philippines, guys. Maganda rin naman siya, guys. Ganyan siya. Ito hindi kita check na. So, comment below, guys, if you are new to my channel. Please do subscribe. Comment heart if you like the video. Ayan. So, you think, guys, saan mas maganda? Ito or the first one? Which one is better to me? Like and subscribe.